Hey everybody, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair, Candy, and More. Coming to you on December 26th, the day after Christmas, to wish everyone a happy Kwanzaa. Kwanzaa is basically an African American celebration of cultural reaffirmation, and it's one of the fastest growing holidays in the history of the world. It took root 30 years ago when graduate student Malonga Karenga, disturbed by the 1965 riots in Los Angeles and the Watts area in particularly, decided that African Americans needed an annual event to celebrate their differences rather than the melting pot. It's not a religious holiday. Kwanzaa is rather a 7-day celebration that begins on December 26th and continues through January 1st. So Kwanzaa does run from December 26th all the way through January 1st. Okay? So there are basically 7 days of Kwanzaa, and I'm going to share with you guys a little bit about the celebration and what the key points are. Okay? Here we go. So on this fabulous African American festivity, you can actually celebrate all 7 days. And they actually celebrate all 7 days a bit differently. So to start the joyful occasion, you can make your homes beautiful by placing the Kwanzaa altar or table at a suitable place in your home. Many people tend to adorn their homes with hanging pictures, colorful posters, and banners. And bedeck your home with fine-looking African sculptures to match the colorful theme of Kwanzaa, which many of us have those type of decorative things around our homes already. Now, handful of Kwanzaa crafts and other decorations should be created according to your own taste and preferences, of course. And all the 7 days of Kwanzaa bring new meaning and principles of Nguzo Saba. A new candle is lighted each day to represent one of these doctrines of Kwanzaa. And even though there is no specific rule about lighting the candle, most of the families traditionally pass the responsibility of lighting the candle to the youngest member of that particular family. Nevertheless, some families think it a bit differently. Some families pay the tribute to the eldest family member by giving him or her the honor of lighting that candle. Now, the first day of Kwanzaa, which is December 26th, is Umoja. Umoja means unity. The black candle is placed in the middle of the red and green candles in the Kinara. It is lit on the very first day of the festival. It marks the commencement of the festive season. The person who takes the responsibility to light the candle makes a statement about the first principle, Umoja, or unity. All the family members should listen to the statement and understand it in a way that all of them can explain the doctrine and its meaning. At times, that particular member shares a passage or a poem which is related to their lives and the principle in some way or another. The Umoja or unity cup is then filled with fruit juice and is passed to all the members present in that congregating spot. Some of the families use a unity cup for every member present, whereas some just like to keep a unity cup in the center of the Kwanzaa table. After the ceremony of sharing fruit juice is over, the candles are turned off or blown out until the very next day, which will go into the second day of Kwanzaa, December 27th. So I hope you all have enjoyed learning a little bit more about Kwanzaa. We are acknowledging that today is the first day, or Umoja, or unity. I'm Pandi of Pandi's Hair, Candy, and More. Thank you all so very much for taking a moment to click on the video. If you didn't already do so on your way in, please make sure that you hit the thumbs up for me on your way out. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, What are you waiting for? It is free 99 after all. So go ahead and make sure you subscribe and double tap that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time that new content is loaded to the channel. I hope everyone is having a happy holiday season, and I'm looking forward to 2021 coming in. So you all stay safe, stay encouraged, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.